Hey, welcome back. What's going? Pleasant good morning. I have a client who called me up. They have brick on the front of their house and they want to change it over and put some veneer stone. So I'm gonna give you guys a look of how it looks now, and you're gonna see how it's gonna look after. So here, this section to do. Let's dive right into the video, guys, and start off some fun. So here, guys, we want to make sure we catch our first level. We're gonna use these horseshoe. This is a quarter, this is a 1/8, and this is a 1/4 inch. This is basically what we're gonna use today. Here you want to put this in the center of the stone so that the other stone that's going to go here can sit on top of this one. It's very important to check your box to see the sizes, the different sizes, and angle of stone that you have. Because in this case you have maybe 4 different dimensions, 4 different sizes.
When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
So our first course is very important. We want to make sure we catch the level as close as possible. This stone here is a bit this stone here is all over the place. So it's not on a level. It's not like it's level stone, but you want to try and get it as close to level as possible, so that you could just use the spacer go all the way up. Just use two spacer. Three and 3/4. Check your gas, buddy.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. Give us what we like. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Feel uninvited.
girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, like just can't wake up, cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Feel uninvited. Left you home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a one.
Here we gotta add a bit of concrete glue to the mortar for the joint. The consistency we're looking for is a mayonnaise peanut butter for the joint. So this is the mortar that we're using for the joint today. Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do the jointing for the culture stone / veneer. We're gonna fill betwixt the jointing here. You'll see how we do that, so stay tuned. You guys know it's the time when you wanna go through and make sure all of your joints are clean. You wanna go through and use a chisel and a nail like this and your hammer. Get all of the mortar from the joint.
Why don't
know, guys, if you have any question, feel free to leave it down in the comment section. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I promise you won't regret it. And if you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a like. And thank you for watching the video until the end. See you in the next one.